Most of us dream about how our new kitchen could look, but by using B&Q Spaces, our brand new online planning tool, you can design exactly what your very own kitchen can look like in just a few minutes. B&Q Spaces is an intuitive tool that leads you through 4 simple steps. Firstly, we offer inspiration, where you can consider your preferred style to match your budget. At this stage, you can play with choices of kitchen doors, worktops, handles and appliances that can not only affect the overall look, but also the price, so there are no surprises later in the process. You then enter the size and shape of your room, including your position of doors and windows. You don't need to be an architect to use the simple click and drag functions, but of course we can do this for you during your initial store visit. Auto design is where the tool pulls together all your initial choices. Consider specific appliances such as refrigeration and ovens, and whether you want these integrated or freestanding. You can also have fun choosing the layout of your room, such as a galley, L-shape, or if you have space for an island. The final step is where you can personalise your kitchen, experimenting with drawers or appliances. You may be surprised at how tiles, paint and flooring can completely transform your design. We know that nobody can make all their choices in their first attempt, so B&Q Spaces allows you to revisit your design by saving it to your very own online project. You can even upload photos and create discussions where you can ask for help or advice. Once you've made all your choices, you can instantly view your complete shopping list of all items within your design. And the total you see includes an indicative price for our award-winning home fit installation service, which is of course optional. B&Q Spaces, your simple solution to a beautifully designed kitchen, bathroom and bedroom.